Shiba Inu ERA to end, Bitgert to replace Shiba Inu hype. Shiba has been performing dismally. According to the Coinbase.com data, Shiba Inu has dropped 20% as of this video. But Shiba Inu has been crashing for the last 6 months. As early as 28th of October 2021, SHIB has started dropping, and the $0.00008 ATH that was reached on 27th of October 2021 has never been surpassed. What's killing Shiba Inu? A lot of reviews have been done on this coin, and one thing that has been coming up is that Shiba investors are leaving for other crypto projects. The competing crypto projects have been the biggest issue for Shiba Inu, which is why SHIB investors are moving to other coins. Bitgert, Brise, is one of the coins killing the Shiba Inu hype. In fact, Bitgert has been said to be the SHIB killer. There are so many Shiba investors that have joined Bitgert. This is because it is more promising and growing faster than Shiba. Bitgert is also a high utility project, which is making it popular with investors. Bitgert is not a meme coin like Shiba Inu but a crypto project with real utility. The value of the Bitgert coin is driven by the growth and adoption of the products and projects in its ecosystem. However, it is the fast-growing Bitgert ecosystem. Here is more about Bitgert. Bitgert. The Bitgert ecosystem is the fastest growing today because of the fast speed at which the Bitgert team is delivering the roadmap. Many products and projects are already added to the ecosystem, especially in 2022. The Bitgert BRC20 blockchain has been the product that has disrupted the market in a big way. The Bitgert Roadmap v2 might end the Shiba Inu era with the huge number of DeFi, Web3, and NFT products it is bringing to the Bitgert ecosystem. The Bitgert project just partnered with Centcex to grow the ecosystem even faster. The Centcex team is building an unlimited number of products for the Bitgert ecosystem. The bottom line is that the Shiba Inu era might be brought to an end by Bitgert. Bitgert is super attractive because of its fastest growing ecosystem, and Shiba Inu cannot compete with Bitgert, which is why it is losing investors to the Bitgert network. The coming of the Centcex is making Bitgert even more aggressive. Therefore, the Bitgert has got everything to replace Shiba Inu hype.